Hello, welcome to my channel, GRE Word Potion, where you get to learn new words every day. And today's word of the day is insidious. Everybody seems to be in harmony in our society, but upon close look, it is segregated, and discrimination still happens in name of race, color, or religion. Or another huge problem in our society is bullying. It has affected most of our school systems and resulted negative impacts on kids' future. That's insidious problems. Insidious is an adjective, which means proceeding in a gradual, subtle way, but with very harmful effects. It is pronounced as insidious, and it was originated from Latin word insidia, which means an ambush or trick. You can remember the word by following tip. The thing that caused chaos inside or inside chaos is equal to insidious. Some of the synonyms are stealthy and subtle. The example of the word in sentence is race discrimination have been an insidious problem of our society. Thanks for watching. If you like the content like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, as I will keep posting more informative videos. See you in next video.